Welcome to Bitunix Academy. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to set your position size and select your margin mode for futures trading using the Bitunix app. On the Bitunix app, go to the Futures Trading page. Here, you can adjust your position size by moving the slider to select how much of your available margin you want to use. For example, you can set it to 25%, 50%, or 100% depending on your strategy. You can also manually enter a specific value or adjust your leverage multiplier to control your exposure level for the trade. Next, let's look at how to choose your margin mode. Tap the cross button on the trading page. Then, select either isolated or cross, depending on your preference. In isolated margin mode, only the margin allocated to your current position is at risk. In cross margin mode, the available margin in your entire account is shared across all open positions. After choosing your preferred option, tap Confirm to save your selection. Please note that if you already have an open position or a pending order for a specific trading pair, you won't be able to switch between isolated and cross margin mode until all active orders for that pair are closed. That's it! You've successfully learned how to set your position size and select your margin mode on the Bitunix. Start trading smarter and manage your risk with precision on Bitunix today.